This is an elzett tutius from Hazakazad, John Dow. To try to get into it, I'm going to use a multi-pick top of the keyway, and I'm going to start with a Moki Standard Slim. Alright, so one might be set. So nothing on 2. Three, 4, 5. Did I just overset? So there's 2, 3, 4, 5. There's number 2, 3, 4. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if I dropped number 1, or I didn't have number 1 set high enough to begin with. Alright, number 1 might actually be set this time. So 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. But what did I drop? 1, 2, 3. So there's 4 possibly. And then 2 opens it up. But yep, that is the elzett tutius.